777, dude. Thank you. Oh, by the way, do you have to run this on your own PC? Well, I run it on my own PC until it works, and then I scale it. So when I was first getting started, I had a secondary PC for the longest time, and I would just run it there because I was just testing. But to scale, I ended up setting up a VPS. Sounds intimidating if you're new to this, but it's actually super duper easy, and I show you how to do it. So yeah, I'll just walk you right through it. It takes like 10 minutes. I want to answer a few questions here after a quick little pee break. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, "Hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight?" And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first 500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel. And there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. Here's the earning structure for you. You literally just take any of my videos and you go and you clip them up. You go ahead and use CapCut if you'd like, or you can use this AI agent that clips them for you. You can look more into the Clips channel here on the Discord and see the full walkthrough, including a training video here. But essentially, long story short, is I have super long videos and there's gold in those long videos. Your opportunity here is to build a whole business based off of my videos. Essentially, you take the long videos and you make short videos. You can use CapCut here as I show you, or you can use the AI agent. Go read through this post. You can see you get paid $69 per 10,000 views. And if you get 30,000 views in a month, that gets up to $89. If you get 50,000 in a month, that gets up to $100. So you get $500 for 50,000 views, and you literally don't have to make videos, which is awesome. So this is just for the people that need to build up their cash before they can actually trade, or you just want to learn how to code while watching my videos. I think this is the best thing for those that do need help actually making money, because again, I don't want to suggest to go spend your last $200-300 on algo trading, because it's just not the game for small size investments essentially. So here's a good way. You can have all of my YouTube videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, download those if you'd like.
Talent you have
but I also put them in the Dropbox.
Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
So I'll put them in the Dropbox, videos for clippers. You can just download these videos and then clip them up. Again, I show a full training here, and I actually will add another training here. But this is what you're interested in, how much you get paid per videos. You literally post these videos, and you can see some examples here of other people doing this, and they're doing a great job. They're making better videos than I have, because my videos are too long, and I get that. But I'm not here making videos. I'm here working on my my algos. So I need somebody else to do this. And this is just a great opportunity for you if you are in that situation where you have time and you want to learn how to code. If you want to learn how to code, then there's no risk to this because you literally are only you're gonna watch my videos and learn how to code and then clip them up to make them shorter. So you'll watch them again essentially. And yeah, I look forward to it. Just head on over to the Discord and the Clips channel to learn more. There's a couple training videos. Just read through this whole post here. I'll update it frequently. And yes, long story short is if you're trying to make money overnight, dude, algo trading is not for you. But you can make money by clipping these videos and finding the good parts and uploading them to your YouTube. And that's pretty much passive income. So enjoy. It's in the Discord. Go learn everything, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, "Hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight?" And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first 500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel. And there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. Here's the earning structure for you. You literally just take any of my videos and you go and you clip them up. You go ahead. All right, so now you fully know how to research any trading strategy and find any strategy that may work in the past. So where do you take it from here, dude? Well, I've got a bunch of questions that I need to answer for you, first off. And let's just go through those accordingly. I thought this was a moon, but it's actually a quarter or something. So I have a bunch of frequently asked questions. I want to spend some time on this. The first question I get a lot is, what's the best coding language for algo trading? So there's a ton of different coding languages out there. In my opinion, the best way to approach algorithmic trading is by learning Python. Python is a very wild ride. First off, it's not, nothing in this game is easy. We know that already. But Python is an easier language than some of them out there. And what's great about Python is if you learn Python, you're going to be able to build for pretty much any computer application like on that you can think of. All of the things on my screen right now, all built in Python. Everything I build is in Python. AI is majority built in Python. So everybody building for AI, machine learning is all in Python. So the way I looked at this is I could spend, a year learning Python and ideally automate my trading. The person that I learned who's trading $1 billion a day, he's using Python. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to use Python. What's great about Python is that it's very similar to other languages like JavaScript if you need to change. But the thing is, dude, is that once you learn how to code, you learn how to code. And all of the other languages that you pick up will be very, very easy to pick up. For example, everybody talked about how hard Rust is. Rust is just so hard. Nobody can, it's too hard to do. I was able to pick it up in a couple of weeks. No problem. But that's because I already learned Python. Where do you learn coding for algo trading? YouTube is a good place. There's not a lot. Maybe now there's more. I haven't been learning a lot. I've been showing a lot. So I like YouTube. Do you prefer trading crypto versus Forex or stocks? Why? So a lot of people come to me and they say, Moondev, why aren't you trading Forex? Why aren't you trading stocks? I've always been fascinated with crypto. I had early success with Bitcoin and finding that early. So I have some sort of an allegiance to it. You call me a crypto bro, whatever. I don't care. I love it here. I have so much fun in crypto. And while it's volatile and your P&L swings may be bigger than if you were trading Forex or stocks or futures. I just have fun here, man. I like the people. I like how everybody's like loves decentralization and hates the middleman, and I guess it's the ethos of it. I don't know if that's the correct terminology, but I just love the people here. I love the idea of, hey, we don't need banks. I love the idea of being unbanked. So I truly believe to do anything, you have to have fun with it if you want to do it for a long, long time. To me, Forex is stupid boring. Stocks can be kind of fun because you can get behind different companies. Futures, I should probably put that there. I'll probably do more futures and stocks in the future as I'm 35 and I plan to be algorithmic trading for the rest of my life. The one downside of crypto is the size you can trade is smaller. I learned from somebody that trades $1 billion per day. I don't trade even close to that. But if I ever want to get to that size, I may have to not move on, but grow up a little bit from crypto. Right now, I'm only on my 4th year. So the way I've looked at it is let me have fun with this stuff for the first 5 years. 5 years. This is a game I'm going to be playing for the rest of my life. Weird things like that happen all the time around here, dude. As I'm saying, have fun with it. Devin comes on and says, you only get one ticket. Might as well enjoy the ride. It's true. You might as well enjoy the ride. So why do I trade crypto? Because I'm trying to have fun at all times. Up, down, sideways, I don't care. I'm trying to have fun. And I'm trying to play this game for a long, long time. Karuku says, why Forex is stupid boring, LOL. I guess I just don't know enough about it. I mean, I think that finance is kind of boring overall. Yeah, that's what it is. Finance and trading are kind of boring. For me, I'm a gamer though. I built games before this, dude. I was building games for people to play and have fun with. That's my type of business, dude. So if I'm coming into algo trading, I'm gonna pick the most fun industry. And crypto's gotta be the most fun. What is 777's passing love? Good vibes, dude. If you stay in a good vibe, you can have anything in this world. But imagine if you're always miserable, always in a crummy vibe, oh, boo, me, you, blah, 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 like my life sucks. Okay, your life's going to continue to suck. So we all go through ups and downs. We all have ebbs and flows. But at the end of the day, you stay in a good vibe, you pass the 777 around, dude, you're gonna get whatever you are thinking about, good or bad. Forex, low volatility, boring. Dot dot dot. Rico, there you go. Maybe that's why I like crypto. I like the volatility. Do you run your bots on your computer? How do you run them 24/7? So when I first got started, I had like a side computer that I would just run everything on. And I'll even run it on my main computer. Doesn't matter. The only downside is you have to keep your computer connected to the internet. But the process I teach you is the RBI system. Remember that. RBI system actually doesn't, you don't run bots until step 3, and we haven't even got there yet. So you've got a long ways to go before you get to this part where you need to run them from somewhere else other than your computer. Now, if you do live on an island like me or somewhere with power outages, that was also very tricky. That got me to have to run them online prior to before I actually was comfortable with it. But the good thing is setting up a VPS, a virtual private server, is actually super duper easy. And I know it sounds intimidating to you because it sounded intimidating to me, even when people told me it was easy. But I walk you straight through how to do that step by step. So you can run your bots on something called a VPS, and it costs like 30, $40 a month. And it's a computer that never sleeps. It never loses internet. And you can just run them there. It's super easy to do. And I promise you, it's actually easy. And I'll show you step by step. What's the bootcamp's refund policy? It's 100% 90-day money back guarantee. I don't even want to know why you want the money back. I don't even want to know. I just want you to get your money back ASAP. Why don't you believe in hand trading? So this might be a personal story, but it might relate to you, dude. At the end of the day, I was a pretty decent trader. Like I could make money in the markets hand trading. But once every like 60 days, maybe 90 days, maybe I didn't have good sleep, or maybe I got in like some argument, or maybe I got influenced by somebody else who was super bullish on something or bearish on something. And I would just wake up and I would just get on tilt. Like something would tilt me. And I would start chasing, or I'd get fear, and I would lose big portions of my account trading by hand. So it'd be like 60 days of profitable trading. I've literally spent hours and hours and hours and hours staring at the chart just to have one off day where maybe I was sick and I'm just coming back for the first day, just not feeling myself, and I make stupid decisions. So while there might be super, super well in tune people out there that are always understanding their vibe of when they can and they can't trade, I think eventually they're going to get got. They're eventually going to have a bad day. They're eventually going to have a day that they use too much leverage or they make an emotional decision. While you, of course, can't remove all emotions out of trading, even algorithmically, because you're going to be emotional about your P&L swings. Yes, okay. But removing the in-game emotions where you're clicking buttons like, oh, life savings buy, life savings sell. That's so, so important to me. You can trade however you'd like. I just truly believe that over the course of the next 30 years, you will not be profitable if you trade by hand. And I'm trying to be here for the rest of my life. So that's why I lean so heavily on automated trading, and I don't think you'll do it profitably any other way. The casino is rigged, and everybody's using bots. And they only make trades when they know they have an edge. So if you're making trades by hand and you don't know you have an edge that actually works in the past, then you're literally the product. He says, I see you. It's okay. I will try my feet fetching forex, pair data, and testing the strategy to see what the win rate. There you go, dude. Yeah, it's just whatever you like, whatever you have fun with. Again, just because I haven't even tried to trade forex, so maybe it is fun. Maybe it is fun. Maybe that's just a bias, but just like you, I'm a human with my own biases. And yeah, that's a whole nother reason that hand trading doesn't work, dude. Do you need a computer science degree for this? I don't have one. So